tech related, but I bought a new chair. I'm really excited. Look at this. Oh, it looks so nice. Oh, it's so cool. I am so pumped about this. Okay, so a little bit of backstory on like why I love Spacestation Gaming. I've never been a sports guy, and having a team that I support in esports, it gets me amped. And the little that I do, whether it's like buying hoodies or I don't know, like apparel, and I don't know, just whatever I can do to kind of support the team, the group, the brand, the company, I do. And I, for the longest time, wanted a gaming chair, and I knew this was coming.
That's what she said.
And I hopped on it.
That's what she said.
And here we are. So let me just keep pulling pieces of the chair out, and you guys can watch me build a chair. It'll be fun, I promise. One of the videos that I will actually also still be reading the assembly guide, because I care about this product and I want it to come together and stay together for as long as I have it. This chair was not cheap. It was not cheap. But first appearance, it looks really nice and fancy. So money well spent. On to the build for the third time. Second time? Third time. This being my first ever gaming chair, I will say putting it together seemed a bit intimidating. The picture-by-picture assembly instructions were idiot-proof though, and it felt like an IKEA assembly. This entire build took me all of 20 minutes. There's pillows that I have to put on this, but then it's done, and then we'll talk. Not gonna lie, this part took about 10 minutes. So this is my new chair, and this is my old chair. There's obviously no armrest. The one thing about it that I did like, and I haven't tested on this yet, is it goes up really high. Makes it nice at my sit-stand desk. Let's see how high this one goes. Yeah, that's not even close, but that's okay. Let's see how it fits over at the desk. How nice is this?
Nice.
Okay, so that's as high as it goes. Those are the armrests. The armrests tilt. There's also a handle where I could take a nap. That's unnecessary, but great. Sit-ups on camera are great. It looks so good. Look at that. Oh, it's sharp. I really like it. I really like it. I'm stoked. I'm so stoked about this. And it's comfortable. I don't know if you guys obviously know this, but making videos for this channel and a few other ones that I run, I'm at this desk a lot, and believe it or not, that chair just doesn't do it. It's not good for long computer sessions, so I'm stoked. A couple things that I'd like to talk about in putting this together. The base, with the wheels, I was a little thrown off by other computer chairs that I've had. There always seems to be some sort of locking mechanism in the, I don't know what to call it, like the tube, and it definitely just isn't one on this chair. I want to give you guys some more insight into this chair, but I want to be able to use it for a little bit first. So allow me to do so, and I'll be back with some future Tom thoughts. So it's been 24 hours, and I've sat in this chair the entire time that I've edited the video that you've been watching. There's things about this chair that I love, and there are things about this chair that I wish were a little bit better. I mentioned them already, but let's reiterate. This chair costs $469. I really didn't look at this $470 chair as expensive, because I thought of it as an investment in my future and my health, and somewhat yes, it's a difficult pill to swallow with that high of a cost, but somewhat no for me, in my humble opinion, because it's all relative. Another thing that I would have liked to see in this chair is the ability to raise a lot higher. As you can see here, compared to my desk, it sits a little bit low. The armrest falls about 2 inches underneath this desk, and I wish that it was right there, right on the same plane, so I'd be able to sit a little bit higher, but it's not a make or break for me. This chair is insanely comfortable. When it comes to the chair, the material is like a faux leather, so I've already spilt some stuff on it with my kids coming over and sitting on my lap, and it easily wipes up. I was also worried about the wheels. As my whole room is carpeted, I was hoping that I'd be able to push around and move to and fro freely, and I am. I'm able to do that. So the wheels are high quality, lots of spin. I don't know if that's how you categorize wheels, but there's lots of spin. Wheels are good. It's funny, the pillows, although they're definitely like an aesthetic, have a lot of functionality, and I didn't know that until I've sat in this chair. I've adjusted the bottom pillow to my back, and I don't really lean back when I edit, but that pillow is definitely there to relax, and it feels good. So, again, pillows, cool. I'll leave you with this. If you're looking for a chair to up your space aesthetic, this is obviously an amazing choice. This thing stands out and is 100% a conversation piece. I love it, it's comfortable, it's an investment in my creative space and future, and like I mentioned before, my health. I'll throw links below so you guys can check out AKRacing's website and whatever other chairs that they have. And now that you made it this far, I want to showcase my wife seeing my chair for the first time. Also, she knows that I paid $470+ for it. That's it, enjoy. Oh, and subscribe. Peace. Gail, you want to sit in my expensive chair?
Wow.
You want to try it?
I mean, everything you own is basically that brand now.
Yeah. Here, give me the baby.
You live in that?
I'm going to. Go on, sit.
Oh my gosh, it even has that space guy. Good lord. Yeah, that's a chair.
You like it?
It's a chair, yeah. I mean, it's cushiony.
Cool.
Do you like it for a ridiculous amount of money?
Yep.
Okay. What are you going to do with your daddy? What are we going to do with your daddy? Are you recording that?
Yeah.